Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I am Harshpreet Kaur, your class 6th science teacher. Students, I would like to tell you some important points. I will be explaining the chapter. You have to read the chapter on your own from a PDF or an e-book by installing Punjab Book app. You can install an app called Book app, or you can directly download the ebooks from the official website of Punjab School Education Board, which is pseb.ac.in. Now we are going to start with chapter 1 of class 6th, that is food. Where does it come from? Now I would like you all to take a pen and paper with you and note down the goals and objectives. Goals and objectives means what are we going to study in this chapter. Aapa is chapter ch padhna ki hai, main points. First, write down food and its importance in our life. Food ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ 'ਚ, food and its importance in our life. Second, food variety. Third, what is our food made of? That is ingredients of food. What is our food made of? Or ingredients of food. Number 4th, write down sources of food. Sources of food. Next is 5th point, last but not the least, classification of animals. Classification of animals on the basis of their food habits. I'm going to repeat all the goals and objectives of this chapter. Food and its importance in our life. Food variety. What is our food made of? That is ingredients of food. Next is sources of food, and last is classification of animals on the basis of their food habits. To begin with our chapter now, first question that arises in our mind is, what is food? Food ki hai. How will you define food? So food is the eatable substances we have in our breakfast, lunch or dinner. Any eatable substance we have in breakfast, lunch or dinner is known as food. जो भी ਆਪਾਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ food ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ. Now why do we need food? ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ food ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ? Why do we have to eat? First and foremost, the first thing is to get energy. If we eat food, we'll get energy from it. Next, for growth and development of our body. If we'll have healthy food, it will make our body grow and develop well. Next, now we know that what is food. The next question that comes in my mind is, why do we need food, or the importance of food? So the first and foremost necessity to have food is that it provides us energy to do various activities. ਆਪਾਂ ਜਦ food ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਦਿਨ 'ਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਟਾਸਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. ਅਗਰ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਰਾਈਟ? Let's take an example. From morning till evening, we are doing various activities. ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ activities ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Okay, let's take an example now. From morning till evening, we are doing various activities. ਆਪਾਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, like playing, household chores, ਬਹੁਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ, ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਖੇਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. some students, some children help their mothers in their kitchen, some children help their father in their work, and so on. So for doing these activities we need energy, and for that we need to have our food. All these tasks need energy, right? So from where we'll get this energy? From food. So if we will have proper food, then only we will get energy. Secondly, food helps in growth and development of our body. For growth of our body we need various nutrients. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ food ਤਾਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, but we need different types of nutrients for our body's growth and development. Now what are nutrients? How will you define nutrients? Chemical substances present in food which provide energy and raw materials for growth of our body are known as nutrients. So nutrients chemical substances हैं जो अपने food च present होंदे हैं, that helps in providing us energy and raw materials. raw की होंदा है कच्चा, raw materials, okay, and raw materials for growth of our body, right? Write down the definition of nutrients. Chemical substances present in food which provide energy and raw materials for growth of our body are called nutrients. Now can you name any nutrients that is present in our food? Yes, there are a number of nutrients. We have vitamins, dietary fibers, water, and many such essential substances which are required for our body. So some of the nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats, these two helps in providing energy to our body. So these are energy giving foods. What are these? Carbohydrates and fats. These are energy giving foods. Food containing proteins are helpful for bodybuilding. Food containing proteins are helpful for bodybuilding. Vitamins and minerals, they help protect our body from various types of diseases. Vitamins and minerals protects our body from different types of diseases. So what all we have done so far is, what is food? Food is an eatable substance we have in breakfast, lunch or dinner. Why do we need food, or what is the importance of food? We have food to get energy as well as growth and development of our body. Now what does food contain? फूड में क्या होता है ऐसा जिससे हमें एनर्जी मिलती है और हमारी बॉडी की ग्रोथ होती है? That is nutrients. Yes, and nutrients are of different types: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and water. These all things are present in the form of nutrients in food. First we did was carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods. Food containing proteins are body building foods. Vitamins and minerals protect our body from various diseases. Now coming to the next topic of our chapter is food variety. Now children, let me ask you some question today. What did you eat today? Ask the same question from one of your friend. Did you eat same kind of food yesterday and today? The answer will be definitely no. We all eat different kinds of food at different times, and if same kind of food is given to us, the next day we start shouting at our mothers, isn't it? ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਸੇਮ ਖਾਣਾ ਮਿਲ ਹੀ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਰੋਜ਼, breakfast we are having same dal roti, and in lunch also we are having dal roti, dinner also the same, then we'll get bored of it, right? If we'll keep eating same things the whole day, every day we'll have same lunch, then we'll definitely get bored of it and we'll shout at our mothers, mama kya banaya hai, mujhe nahi ye khana, mujhe kuch aur khana hai, right? Everyone wants that something different should be there in our plate every time. सबको अच्छा लगता है different तरह का खाना खाना रोज. This is what we call variety. Okay, this is what we call variety, that is different kinds of food available with us. Now what is food variety? The different kinds of food available with us is called food variety. To elaborate this topic further, there is not only variety of food available, also different parts of India have different food. As we know, as you can see in this image also, see right here, what does it shows? It has idli and some chutneys. This is South Indian dish, right? And this dal is mostly in Punjab region. We usually have dal roti every day. So it says is food variety tells us that different parts of regions have different variety of food, different types of food. Now there is a lot of materials we use to make food, such as spices, oil, cereals, etc. बहुत सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं to prepare. On the other hand, read this second paragraph, second column. On the other hand, some items are made with many ingredients to prepare vegetable curry. Now how do we prepare vegetable curry? We need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. So this is what our food is made of. ये सारियां चीज़ां जो हैगी हैं, वेजिटेबल्स, सॉल्ट, स्पाइसेस, ऑयल, ये सारियां चीज़ां मिला के अपना खाना बनता है, अपना फूड प्रिपेयर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we'll take this example of cooking rice. We'll take a simple example. For example, for cooking rice, we need 2 ingredients. And what are the 2 ingredients we need? Rice, raw rice, and water. We take raw rice and boil it in water. So we need 2 things to cook rice. And what are these substances, or what are these things called? These are called ingredients. Any substances that is combined to make a particular dish is called ingredient. Anything that we use to prepare our food is called ingredient. For example, for making chapati. How do we prepare chapati? We need flour and water to prepare chapatis. First we make dough. Dough क्या होता है? आटा. पहले आटा बनाते हैं. Dough we prepare it with flour and water, and then we make our chapatis. Do these activities given in the group. It will help you understand the topic much better. And please students, do give it a reading and then understand well. You will be able to understand it well. Okay, next. Why should we eat cooked food? Now the next topic is why we should have cooked food. Why can't we just have it like that? When we prepare chapati, we can't have atta, no? हम आटा तो नहीं खा सकते. We have to prepare it, we have to cook it first. Now why should we eat cooked food? First thing is that it kills harmful germs which may be harmful for our बॉडी जो अपनी बॉडी वास्ते जर्म्स विच आर हार्मफुल जो कि अच्छियां नहीं होंदियां इट हेल्प्स टू kill those germs. While we cook the food, those harmful germs are killed. Secondly, it is easy to digest. We can digest the food easily if it is cooked properly. Third, it is good in taste. We can have tasty food when it is cooked well. In the end, I would like to conclude all the topics covered in this part, which is food variety. What is food variety? The different types of food available with us is called food variety. Next is ingredients. The substances that is combined to make a particular dish are called ingredients. The sources of food and the classification of animals based on their food habits we are going to do in the next part of the video. Thank you, students, and please make sure you give this chapter a good read and make your notes and do these activities given in your book. Thank you.